from the School of Performing Arts and the College of Liberal Arts and Human Sciences on the campus of Virginia Tech in Blacksburg, we proudly present the Spirit of Tech under the field direction of Eric Chang and Jenna Scherer, 330 strong, the 2017 edition of the Marching Virginians. The Marching Virginians open this evening's halftime performance with the music of the legendary Hank Williams and our own special arrangement of his classic hit, Hey Good Lookin'. We now invite everyone at Florida Citrus Field to get up and join the Marching Virginians as we celebrate one of the greatest college band traditions in the land. Hokies, Cowboys, everyone in Orlando, let's do the Hokey Pokey. And what better way to end our halftime performance than with every Hokie's favorite song, Play corps captain for the Marching Virginians is Virginia Kibler. Play corps co-captain is Katie Ledwell. Play corps instructors are Sarah McHugh and Lisa Van Dyke. Feature twirler is Connor Rudd. The executive officer of the Marching Virginians is Cholo Makatula. Music arrangers are Rob Perkins and James Sochinsky. The assistant director is Chad Reed. The Marching Virginians are under the direction of David McKee.